Here's something completely new. I didn't even hear about it. It's called the England Marina Club Hotel. And we're not too far from Galaxy Casino. You can see it right there. And there's also this new marina that they built, and I haven't really been able to see it. But we're gonna explore and just kind of see what this is all about right in here and try to explain it all as well. So stay tuned. And this is England Marina Club Hotel. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so let me just kind of glance in for a moment. Okay. Sailor's Bar. Okay. We're just gonna walk outside, and looks like they also got a bar right here and the hotel. So we're gonna see what this is all about. The bar looks like it's basically a hotel bar. It's quite small. But we're gonna see what we can see. Huh. So they got windows that goes right out to here. Huh. Okay, this is interesting. So yeah, they built this little marina, and I haven't been able to see it. Right over there is Galaxy Casino, and they built all these kind of houses. And I thought that those houses had access to this marina. But actually this marina is attached to this hotel. So I don't know, I guess later there'll be boats. And they go all the way down here. Huh. So yeah, this is all new. This wasn't here before. I haven't been able to come in here and see it either. Let me give you a little rundown of where we are exactly. So across the way, I haven't seen this before either. This is just this little land space. This has always been under construction for the longest time, but it looks like now I can see what it is. It's like a marina bay for these boats. And over there is the financial district of Zhuhai, of Hengqin, Zhuhai. I think that's like about 10% occupied. It's like almost fully built, but COVID just kind of killed it. So I don't know what they're gonna do. Those are mostly empty buildings. They got a big plan, so we'll see if that's realized or not. And over here, those tall buildings is all part of Macau. And then I don't know if you can see that green one over there as well. That's the horse racing jockey club. And they're doing construction all along the waterfront here too. So we'll see what that is going to be all about. So yeah, another little slice. And they built these other hotels there. I think those two are big condos. Those two big tall ones straight over here. And then this brown one right here is called Posada Marina Infante. So that one is a hotel that's been there for a long time, and then this is a new one. You can see all the way up there as well. So yeah, kind of interesting. So I think what we're gonna do is, what I want to do is try to see. I wouldn't mind walking over there. It's all construction right now, so I don't think we can see much even if we walk over there. But I'll at least come out of the hotel so you can get a context of where we are. Huh, there's even taxis coming in here. How can I have never heard of this place? It feels like it's like, I feel like this little area is like a mainland Chinese area. Like they kind of advertise only to them. It feels that way, but it does say England Marina Club Hotel, so England. But sometimes that can be a marketing strategy as well, so I don't know. So straight ahead is Galaxy, just to give you some context of where we're at exactly. Then you can see inside here, there's all these little high-end, very, very high-end, I don't know if you call those condos or homes. They're more like homes. They're like heavily gated and for the very rich and wealthy. And I think that those up there too are the same. Those two silver window panels. This is the other hotel. That was actually a COVID hotel for 3 years. Almost all of COVID, that was where they contained people who had COVID, or they suspected of having COVID, or who were at high risk. as well.
Wait a bit for...
And we're gonna keep going all the way around and just kind of give you the whole context. A lot of activity here, more than I thought. So now you can see kind of inside that grounds of that more exclusive area. So all these tall buildings are relatively new as well. So we're gonna basically just come around the corner, give you a little context to where we are. But now you can see the Galaxy Casino, and all of these are relatively new as well. They put these up during COVID, so people who couldn't come in for those 3 years, this is kind of some of the stuff they were building. Galaxy keeps being built. There's more, there's still cranes up there. Then we're on this little thing right here called Avenida Marginal Flor de Lotus. Lotus Flower Road. So that kind of gives you a little context. So we were basically right in that little area over there. Then you got all these buildings everywhere. And I think what we're gonna do is I'll just keep the camera briefly on just to give you a little bit more context of where we are. But Galaxy, that sun is reflecting off the building, it's so bright. It's funny. Because the sun is like reflected. Oh, there's like a reflection there and there's a reflection here. So there's like two reflections. And look at the shadows right here. The shadows are kind of like half. Huh. So this is called Star Kotai Shopping Arcade. Moon Pizza, I've never even heard of these. There's all these new shops that are opening up, but they're So Moon Pizza, you got some, I guess there's more stuff I need to explore. So anyways, I guess we'll kind of target, we'll just call this after the hotel, but you can kind of see what's out here. I'm gonna just cross this street real quick, just so I can give you a view of what's down that way. And basically you'll see the marina from another angle. So, so you can see it down there now. The Broadway is right here. So I think what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to walk into Broadway just to give you the full context of where we are exactly. And I have filmed this road before. It hasn't changed much. I filmed it during COVID when it first was constructed about 3 years ago, I guess now, since it's 2024. And then this little green one just kind of separates the two. And then where those people are coming in right there, that's where we're going to go in as well. So we're gonna go into the Broadway, and I think they're all going in that way anyways. And that'll give you some context of everything. And there's Roadhouse Macau, and then there's more stuff down that way. So Broadway Casino is right here. There's a lot of stuff down that way, and a lot of stuff right here too, which is this would be kind of filled with a lot of expats. It's like a little bit of a bar area. So okay, and then that one of course says Blues, Bikes, Rocks and Booze. I think we're just gonna walk. Okay, so that's Broadway. That place that we were at was over there, through that direction, right through there. And then this one, Roadhouse, will go over to Galaxy. You got all your tables and chairs and such like that too. So, okay. Little slice of Macau, something a little bit different. $20.24. Let's check out Macau. Come on.